Good morning and heartily welcome to the Jignasa 2021 student project. My name is Shivakumar. I am from Government Degree College, Sitapalmati. Here is our team: Monica, Reena, Krishna, and Lata. We worked on the project of sewage water treatment and reuse of water under the direction of Mrs. Jyoti Reddy and Mr. V. Purnachandra Rao. Director, the importance of the sewage water treatment plant. What is the most crucial thing as we know on the earth? All living things require uncontaminated water as a basic requirement. As the 71% of the water is provided on the earth, but only 1% of the water is only uncontaminated and clean and for used for drinking purpose. But the wastewater discharges from the industries, agriculture pollution, municipal wastages, water, environmental, global changes are the main sources of water contamination. To save, according to the Food and Agriculture Organization assessment from 2007, absolute water scarcity will affect 1.8 billion people and next upcoming 23rd global population. To cover these scarcity issues, we have to recover the water or we develop alternate water resources for human consumption. The sewage water have to be treated properly to make it safe to drink. The water treatment is based on the use of water. From now onwards, further development given by Monica.
My name is Monica. Health aspects. Environmental problems. Creation of nuisance and pleasant odors. And breeding of lice and mosquitoes. Pollution of soil and water supplies. Contamination of food. Increase in the incidence of diseases. Next. Aims of sewage purification. To stabilize to the organic matters so that it can be disposed of safely. It converts the sewage water into an effluent of all acceptable standard of purity, which can be disposed of into the lands, rivers and sea. Types of sewages. Sewages is 3 types: domestic sewage, industrial sewage and storm sewage. Sewage treatment is generally carried out using the artificial treatment method, that is sewage. The process of sewage treatment broadly divided into 3 types. They are primary or preliminary treatment, secondary treatment or biological oxidation, tertiary treatment, or it is also called as advanced treatment. Strength of sewage. COD and BOD. BOD stands for biological oxygen demand. Amount of oxygen observed by a sample of sewage during a specific period. To remove waste organic matter from water in the process of decomposition by aerobic bacteria. Chemical oxidation demand COD. Measure the oxygen equivalent of the portion of the organic matter in a sample which is susceptible to oxidation by a strong chemical oxidizer. Thank you. Reena.
Myself, Reena. There are 3 sewage water treatments are present. So there are primary, secondary and tertiary. Now I am going to explain about primary treatment. So in this primary treatment, the major particles were involved in this. The solid particles are separated from the sewage water by sewage screening and sedimentation, which is subjected to anaerobic digestion. So there are 4 steps are involved: screening, drip chamber, and primary sedimentation, and last one is chlorination. In this primary, in this screening, the involvement is metal screen. In this metal screen, the metal screen consists of a vertical and inclined steel bars, which is set of 5 centimeters apart. So in this, the objects are which are involved in this are pieces of wood, drugs, masses of garbage and dead animals to prevent clogging. So after in this, the screenings are which is removed by time to time, and these are deposited barrierly, or they were mechanically deposited by trenching. The second part is the second step is drip chamber. In this drip chamber, there are two processes are involved. So in this, the water is shifted to drip chamber. In this, the sand, rich cinders and small stones are allowed to settle at the bottom of the drip chamber. In this drip chamber, the drip is opened in this process, which is used for the landfills. So again, this water is transferred to segmentation tank. This is screening. In this primary treatment, the 3 steps are involved. Last one is chlorination. In this first step is screening. This water is transferred to drip chamber, and from the drip chamber, the largest particles are settled down. And after that, this water is transferred to segmentation tank. In the segmentation tank, this is settled at the bottom of the tank. The big particles are deposited at the down, and the major particles are transferred to emulsion. So in this primary treatment, the water is transferred to a rectangular tank, which is larger in size, and the sewage flows very slowly. Per 1 minute, there are 1 to 2 feet will be flowed in the tank. In the segmentation, we will see the 50 to 70% will settle at the bottom, and after that, there is a reduction of 30 to 40% of the coliform organisms, which is very these are non-motile and motile organisms, and also there are the organic matter which settles down in the ground, which is known as sludge. So this is mechanical. This will be removed by mechanical also. So the fats and these will settle at the top. And the last one is chlorination. By adding this chlorine, the sewage water will be cleaned by parasites, virus, and bacteria. So this is the tank, rectangular tank, and these are the primary treatment tanks. So the second treatment is explained by Krishna.
My name is Krishna. I am explaining about secondary treatment in sewage water treatment. This is secondary water treatment in sewage water treatment. Effluent subjected to the aerobic oxidation. The removal of oxidable and biodegradable solids with the aid of living organism is called secondary or biological treatment. Tracking filter method. It is used to remove organic matter from the sewage water. The trickling filter is an abrasive treatment system that utilizes microorganisms attached to the fixed beds to remove organic matter from the sewage water. The organic matter, the sewage settles or gets oxidized, and the water trickles out through the pipes at the bottom of filter. This is the influent. Primary water is entered into secondary treatment. Aerobic tank. Air is deposited down, and water is transferred into water by fluids. Return activated by fluids and transfer into influence. And transfer into influence outside. Activated storage process. It is known as a aerobic biochemical oxidation. The activated storage process is use microorganisms to feed on organic contaminants in sewage water. The sewage is treated and injected the large quantity of air bubbles to provide oxygen demand of the microorganism and keep solids in suspension. The main aim is to remove the bacteria, phosphates and the total nitrogen. During this process, organic matter of the sewage gets oxidation into CO2, nitrates and water with the help of aerobic bacteria in the activated sludge. Next, tertiary treatment is explained by Lata.
Myself, Lata, and tertiary and environmental treatment process. It is a process in which highly soluble salts are removed. It is effective treatment of removed pollutants like inorganic compounds and bacteria and viruses widely present. Remove these harmful substances make the treatment water safe to recycle into the environment. The primary and secondary treatments lower bonds of the water and eliminated harmful bacteria. They didn't, however, effectively remove the odor, dissolving organic and inorganic compounds which are resistant to bacterial action. To obtain pure potable water or drinking water possible, it is treated with organic ozone and highly toxic to bacteria and viruses.